Welcome to Overworked Linux Admin. I'm your host, Zach, and today's going to be a short video. We are going to be talking about some basic job management tasks. Um, in Linux, you'll find that most jobs and commands take a few seconds to complete. Some of them take a little bit longer. For example, if you were to use rsync to create a backup, that could run for a few minutes to a few hours. During this time, you'd be unable to use the shell that you're in. There's a couple of ways around this, um, but in this particular case, to get around it, you would append the ampersand at the end of a command. Pushing this will push the command to the background, and it would allow you to continue working while the command runs. When you do that, it will output the console to the job number, and then you can utilize the job PID, the process ID, to manipulate the job. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to open up system. Oh, I gotta be in focus here. System config users, and that will open up user manager for us. And as you can see, this is open, but this isn't doing anything. I can't interact with it at all. Echo hello world. Nope, not doing anything. That's because right now the job is running user manager. So what you can do is Control C, that X's it. You do this, you do ampersand, and probably so that way, as you can see, it opens up both the user manager and your console. You can still interact with this. Now you can do echo hello world. Hello world. So what you want to do is, if you do this multiple times and you want to take a look at the jobs, you just do jobs, and you can see that this is the job process ID. You can tell what state it's in and what it currently is, what program is running. So what you want to do is, you want to move it to the foreground. You would do foreground 1, the process ID, and well, it brings it back to this state, and you can't really do anything. What you could do is you could do Control Z, and that stops it. As you can do jobs, you can see it's in a stop state. So what you want to do is you do BG1, and now it's in a running state. And you do jobs, you can interact with it, and all that good stuff. So that's basic job management 101. And most people that I know use something called screen, and that is at a later chapter. Anyways, thank you for watching this chapter, and we will see you next week.